Alright, so for problem 1, we're going to take a 2D orthographic drawing and translate it into 3D on isometric paper. And you want to start with your 9H pencil, the super light one, just to kind of outline it. But I'm going to use the number 2 just for demonstration. We want to start with our isometric axis, which is 120 degrees. Just kind of pick a point in the lower left corner and make a little dot, and then make a 120 degree angle. Just come out like 2 spaces on both just to get that axis there, and then you want to start with the front view and then connect everything else to make it 3D. So for the front view, what we want to do is full scale it so that it's going to be the same size as this, but 3D. And so it's just kind of going to be a rough estimate. There's no exact measurements, but it should be proportional. So what we're going to do is come over to the left here, 11 spaces. So right in between all of these little things here, I'm just going to say it's 1 space. So 1, and then this would be 2. So we want to come over 11 spaces. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then we're going to go straight up 13 spaces. So this would be 1 space, this would be 2. Think of it that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now we're going to make a 60 degree angle and come down 6 spaces. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to go straight down because we've got to make this angle here, cut it. So we're going to go straight down 6 spaces from dot to dot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we want to cut it this way. And we'll come over 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces over. And then from here we're going to go straight down 7 spaces. 1, or just connected to that vertex that you had started out with. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there we go. We've got the front view. Now we want to start putting it together so that it looks more 3D. So we've already got it coming out here, starting at the 120 degree angle here. So we want to come out 3 spaces. We already have come out 2, so 3. And then we're going to come straight up 7, which is the same as this one here. So they match. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they should match up. And then you connect those. That will be 3 spaces over. And then you want these lines here parallel. So you're going to go over 5. This should be 5 here. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it should be the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we want to match up with this line here going straight up, which will be 6 spaces from dot to dot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we connect this with the 3 spaces. Now we want to line up this line with this line. They should be parallel. So this is 6 lines, or this was 6 spaces, so the other side needs to be 6 spaces as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you just connect that, 1, 2, 3. And then we gotta connect down here as well. Because there's that cut there. So we gotta show that as well. So that's 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3. And we've got our 3D isometric drawing from a 2D view. And so once you get that, you're going to letter your name in the lower left-hand corner. And then do problem 2. Okay. All right, so that is problem 1 done.